Hey guys, it's Shawnee, and it feels so good to finally say welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel has been a long time coming. I've been procrastinating about starting my YouTube journey a lot and just simply making excuses, but we are here now and let's get right into this video. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to, actually, let me reword that, how I clean, wash, and reinstall my lace front wigs. First, I am going to show you guys how I clean the residue off my lace from using the Got2b freeze spray and of course glue buildup, and how I fully wash my wigs, and then I'll be reinstalling it on camera so you guys can see the ending results. So I do hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give me a big old thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will greatly appreciate it. You know, help you girl out. This is her very first YouTube video. Also turn on the bell notifications because I will be bringing to you guys more content just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig and show you guys. This is the wig. This is what we're working with. This hair is from Myfirstwigs. I'll show you guys the box. It's a 10-inch bob. It's a 13 by 6 closure. Hold on, can you guys see that? You know, this is the lace. It goes all the way back. Texture is silky, soft, and smooth. Here are the deets. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is it. This is what I got. Hopefully you guys can see that. Alright, so yeah. So that's the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up and ready to wash and clean this hair. And I'll see you guys over in the next clips. Okay guys, so here I'm just taking some water and spraying the frontal down. Next, I'm taking this Malaysian butter blend shampoo. I'm going to spread it throughout the frontal, especially the hairline. I'm going to massage it into the frontal. This shampoo helps remove product buildup, so I'm gently working it throughout the frontal. Then I'm going to take this nail brush and I'm going to wet it, and then I'm going to use it to help me continue to get rid of the residue that is on the frontal. I'm now taking some more of the Mizani shampoo. I'm spreading it on the top of the frontal and hairline. I'm gently working this into the hairline again to get rid of the residue that was on top as well. And I just use my hands to gently clean the top. I'm not going to use the nail brush this time because I don't want to get rid of any hairs on the top of my frontal. Okay, so here I'm just washing away the Mizani shampoo that I used to clean the frontal. I'm washing it throughout the entire hair. Then I'm going to take Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner and put it throughout the hair. And this is what I use to condition the hair. I like to use a generous amount of the conditioner and massage it throughout the whole hair. And I'll do this process twice before I completely rinse the hair. Okay, then here I'm going to brush out the hair to make sure there's no tangles in the hair. And around the frontal area, I like to gently take it and brush the hairs back. I like my hair to dry going back because that's usually how I like to style my hair anyways. So I just take the hairs on the frontal and brush them all back like so. So that's how I do it. This is the unit freshly washed. I'll show you guys the inside. And as you guys can see, there is no more residue on the lace. So now I'm just going to let the wig air dry, and then I'll be ready to install it once it's fully dried. I went ahead and styled the wig off camera, so it's all ready to be put on and reinstalled. And I also did my ball cap method off camera as well. So yeah, let's get into it and reinstall this bad boy. I'm taking lace glue by Myfirstwig and spreading it out on my hairline. And of course, I dropped some, but that is okay because we are not wasting any drops over here. Yes, I'm gonna scoop that up with my finger and dab that product right back on my hairline. So once that's all done, I'm going to take my blow dryer and blow dry this on a cool medium setting until the glue turns clear and tacky. I like to apply 3 thin layers of the lace glue. Then I'm going to take my wig and pull it forward and attach it to where I placed the glue. I cannot stress it enough. Always, always, always wait until the glue turns clear and tacky before you place the lace onto your hairline, because if you don't, you'll end up with a white cast around your lace, like me right now in this video. Don't worry though, I'm gonna show you guys how I fix that, because I don't know why all of a sudden I started to rush to put this wig on. Like, the nerve of me trying to act like I really got somewhere to be. Anyways, my point is, learn from my mistake. Just take your time. Do not be in a rush when you're putting on your wig. Always make sure you're giving yourself enough time to properly put it on. Now I'm taking Lotto Body Wrap Me Foam to do my baby hairs. After that, I'm going to take my melting band, also from Myfirstwig, and tie it down for like 15 minutes. Alright, so next I'm using NARS Cream Concealer in the shade Truffle with a makeup brush. And I'm going to put that in my parting space. And this is also what I use to fix the little white cast that's showing through the lace. Then I'm going to take my satin scarf and tie my wig down once again to melt it. And I'm going to leave the scarf on for about 10 minutes and then remove it. So I do hope that this was helpful, and of course if you guys have any questions about the process, you can leave them down below in the comment section and I will make sure to answer them for you all.